Hello, language learners. Welcome to Master English with Ali. Today, I'll share a story that teaches an important lesson about kindness and unexpected help. Let's get started. One day, a young man named David was rushing to catch his train. He had an important job interview, but just as he was about to board, disaster struck. He dropped his wallet. It fell under the platform, out of reach, and David panicked. His train was leaving in less than 2 minutes, and without his wallet, he wouldn't be able to buy a lunch, pay for a taxi, or even show his ID at the interview. As David tried to figure out what to do, a stranger standing nearby noticed the situation. The man quickly walked over, saw the wallet, and without hesitation lay down on the platform to retrieve it. A few seconds later, he handed it back to David with a smile. David was so grateful, he quickly thanked the person and dashed on the train just in time. During the ride, David kept thinking about the stranger's kindness. The man didn't have to help. He could have easily ignored the situation and continued on his way, but he didn't. That small act of kindness gave David the confidence he needed for his interview. He felt uplifted, thinking that the world still had good people. By the end of the day, David received a call that he had gotten the job. Weeks later, David was walking in the park when he saw someone struggling with a flat tire on their bicycle. Remembering the act of kindness he had received, David walked over to offer help. The cycle of kindness continued. Moral of the story: kindness is contagious. A small act of help can change someone's entire day and sometimes their life. You never know when your kindness will come back to you. Thank you for watching Master English with Ali. If you like today's story and want to hear more lessons like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, kindness is something we all can share. See you next time.